This is my 30th year in property management, and it's quite interesting, I guess, when we look back at way back when I started as a junior and how things were done then and how much things have evolved. One of the biggest changes that we've seen, and that's been in the most recent years, is the introduction of maintenance manager, which we have been using now for a few years, I think pretty much since maintenance manager was introduced to the property management industry. The communication is massive. It's a massive factor of it, purely because it keeps everything in one place. Things are not getting lost in communication or translation. And once again, it's definitely the streamlining, and it's the things that are happening behind the scenes rather than you having to keep doubling back, chasing things up, following things up. The automated processes that Maintenance Manager has with the messages that go out, the reminders, the alerts, it's basically doing all of that for you. Implementing Maintenance Manager has been a really simple thing to do, particularly in the office, because of the benefits that it brings to us property managers on a day-to-day basis. Explaining to landlords how it works, and also with our tenants having access to the app reporting maintenance, it makes things easy. And if things are not easy, people don't tend to follow the rules and do what they need to do. So it's a technological world, so being able to simply grab your phone, report something, take a photo, get it through to us, it makes it really, really simple.